Dog, that's so shitty, man. Maybe a tree just fell and they didn't actually like cut the shit down, bro. Damn. I was gonna come here and just chat about, like, you know, a little bit of the history, man, you know, like a little bit of history of the GSXR crash out. Yo, that's cool as fuck. That's cool as fuck. Holy shit. Damn. It's just a bummer that they, like, yeah, this tree fell. Okay, so, damn, that's insane though. Dude, that's like a good 15, 20 feet across. But, oh man. Dude, I don't know what to talk about, honestly. But if there's one thing that you guys don't know about me, that I actually fucking, this is super soft. I actually love nature. This is getting muddy, so I'm definitely gonna watch my step out here. I can't even get out to the spot I used to go and chill. So I'm gonna turn around. That sucks. It's still pretty out here. It's way better in the summer. But yeah, dude, I'm a terrible motovlogger. This is why I just go fast all the time. Like, I gotta come out here with a goal in mind if I'm gonna start yapping, bro. Because my mind just wanders so much, so like I never actually get to the point. Like, I'm great at having conversations about like specific topics, but just like by myself, man, dude, I got like a billion things going on in my mind at once. So like, it's not ever gonna be really effective to leave me by myself and just let me yap, because you know I'm just gonna go in circles like I just did just now. So I mean, I guess I want to take some pictures out here or something. I don't know. I'm just gonna post my phone up. Ooh, there's a little hidey hole right there. I got 2 pictures. It'd be way better if I had a friend to come out here with. Who wants to be my friend, guys? Who wants to be Jixer Crash Out's friend, you know? Yeah, dude, this is like the most pointless video ever.